At Skyview Exteriors, we specialize in transforming properties with durable, high-quality roofing solutions. In this Rhode Island project, we completed a full roof replacement on a multifamily home. The original roof had reached the end of its life. Worn shingles, leaks, and weather damage were starting to impact the property. For landlords and property owners, issues like this don't just risk costly repairs. They can also affect tenants' comfort and safety. During the process, our team didn't just replace the shingles, we also replaced the roofing deck. This step is crucial for long-term durability, ensuring the new roof has a strong foundation to withstand New England's tough weather conditions. Every detail mattered, from protecting the property during tear-off to installing proper ventilation and creating a watertight seal. The result? A complete transformation. Not only does the new roof give the home a fresh, modern look, but it also delivers long-term protection and peace of mind for the owner and residents. At Skyview Exteriors, we understand that multifamily properties need solutions that balance quality, efficiency, and value. That's why property owners across Rhode Island and Southeastern Massachusetts trust us for their exterior upgrades. If your roof is showing signs of wear, or if you're managing a multifamily property that needs attention, reach out to Skyview Exteriors today. We'll make sure your investment is protected for years to come. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to see more of our exterior transformations across Rhode Island and Southeastern Massachusetts.